accents. And what I was saying is, for a live setting, to achieve that, you can sometimes move to like a rim shot, really, forceful, emphatic rim shot accent. So where you're hitting the rim and the drum head simultaneously. Sometimes I'll even move it to the rack tom like that, just for a little bit of different sonic texture. The other thing is going into that roll leading back to the shuffle. He starts to, or the timbale overdub starts to do this cool E and emphasis. So this is still taking care of the downbeats, but you have what I was saying, what he does with the overdub there is a cool flam rim shot thing where he goes trip 1 3 1 2 1 3 1 2. I believe is what it is.
Oh, I see. Flam triplet, flam triplet.
Yeah.
From snare to tom.
Yeah.
Got it.